Hello, thank you for watching my video today on circles in the coordinate plane. This is our opener of conic sections chapter. Okay, so first of all, what is a circle? A circle is a set of all points x, y that are equidistant from a fixed point, and that point is called the center. And the distance, of course, is called the radius. So here is an equation of a circle in centered form. Okay, let's look over here. The center we would call h comma k, and then the distance to any point x comma y would be our radius. Okay, so in this formula, the center is h comma k, and the radius is r. Important to note here that it's the opposite of these numbers. Oh, man, I just spotted a typo there. That's supposed to be a k right there. Okay, I'll fix that before I get it out to you. All right, so we're going to start right here and just graph and state the center and radius. Actually, we should probably do that first. So the radius here will be root 25, which is 5. The center is -1, +3. So -1, +3, and then we just go up 5, down 5, left 5, and right 5, and draw our circle. Number 2, good idea here first to divide by 2. So we get x squared plus y squared equals 9. So our radius is 3, square root of 9. And our center would be 0, 0. So just going 3 out in every direction. And the nice thing about notability is that you can make nice circles. And you're not a very good artist like myself. All right, so now we're going to start writing equations of circles. So we're going to use this form right here, but we will get these numbers and put them in there. So it's x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals 4 squared. Obviously, I don't want you leaving your answer like this. So x squared plus y squared equals 16 would be our answer. Number 4, x minus -4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 9 squared would be x plus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 81. And then 5, so x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3/2 squared equals root 7 squared. But you can do x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3/2 squared equals 7. Okay, number 6, write the equation of a circle with center at the origin. So center is 0, 0, and then passes through 0, -3. So you could think about this algebraically or just graphically. But if it passes through 0, 0, sorry, if the center is 0, 0 and passes through 0, -3, that means our radius must be 3. So our equation is going to be x squared plus y squared equals 3 squared, or 9. Now, there's another way to do that problem, but we don't have to do it for that one because we can easily figure out the radius. What about this one where the radius is not so simple to figure out? Okay, so we have the center right there. Pass through this point. So what we're going to do here is we're going to define the radius by using the distance formula. Okay, so a distance formula is going to be -3 minus 4 squared plus 5 minus 2 squared. So that's -7 squared plus 3 squared, which is 49 plus 9. Or 58. So root 58 is our radius. So our equation then is going to be x plus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals root 58 squared, which is just 58. Number 8, the equation to the tangent line of the circle at this point. All right, so let's start with drawing the circle. The center is at 0, 0. The radius is 5. So there's my circle. Okay. And 3, 4, this point right here, we're going to draw a tangent line in. What's a tangent line? It's a line that touches the circle exactly once. You hopefully remember that from your geometry days. So you want the equation of that line. What do we need? We need a point and a slope. The point is 3, 4. So the slope, how do we find the slope? Well, important thing to remember from geometry is that the tangent line is perpendicular to a radius drawn. So if we can find the slope of the radius, then we can find the slope of the tangent line. So the slope of the radius, so m subscript r, is going to be the slope between those 2 points. So 4 minus 0 over 3 minus 0, which is 4/3. So the slope of the tangent line would be negative 3/4. So my equation then is y minus 4 equals negative 3/4 x minus 3. You can leave it in point-slope form. All right, last 2, find the center of radius of each of the following circles. To do this, we're going to put these in standard form. And to do that, we're going to have to do some completing the square. All right, so first I'm going to group together my x's, my y's, and bring every constant over to the other side. The constant's already there, so that's great. Now I complete the square twice. So half of 2 squared is 1. Half of 4 squared is 4. Make sure you add to both sides to balance it out. All right, now for factors, x plus 1 squared, y plus 2 squared equals 16. So my center is negative 1, negative 2, and my radius is 4. Okay, last one. All right, same thing. Group my x's together. Group my y's together. Bring the constant to the other side. Half of b squared. Half of b squared. Now we get x minus 5 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 2. So my center is at 5, negative 4, and my radius is root 2. All right. At this point, you can pause this video and try the next 2 pages of practice. Come back when you're done and check your answers. You can also check them if I post the key to Schoology. There's the answers for 1 and 2. And for 3 through 6. Again, you can pause this video as long as you need to check your answers for these last 6 practice problems. Thanks as always for watching my video today. We'll see you again soon.